Hey everybody, it's Dr. Amanda Hess, and this is one of my favorite practice members, Penelope. She's been seeing me for many years now, just for wellness, chiropractic care, but also came in for migraine headaches. And so why don't you just tell everybody a little bit about your chiropractic journey?
Well, God used my pastor, Pastor Lucius McDowell, to invite y'all to our church back in 2011. So the Spirit was just speaking through me and telling me this is the way to help you to heal your migraine headaches. So I came to y'all, and I used to have migraines every twice or three times a week, and used to last about 2 or 3 days. But now I have the migraine like 2 times a month. Is a lot better, and God used you guys to, with the knowledge and your hands, to heal my body. And I know for a fact that the migraines not gonna exist on my body no more. And healing comes from above. That's a God. Down into your hands and inside of my body and out, so I can tell the goodness about God through the healing Discover Chiropractic.
Thanks, Penelope. We really appreciate her. If you have migraine headaches or somebody that has something that you know that's suffering, it's causing them to lose work, lose time with their family, lose time in their personal life, please let them know about us. Comment below. Let us know how we can help you.